Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. After a long time, I am uploading this video. You have recently noticed that the IT job market is actually opening up after a long period of time because we have already known that there was a recession in the IT industry. So you are already aware that I have been helping people to crack the interview of Azure Cloud Solution Architect, Azure Infrastructure Architect, and Azure Solution Architect or Azure Security Architect. So in today's video also, I am going to discuss a little bit about the questions that that will be important in the interview for Azure Infrastructure Architect. I have seen that a few companies who are actually recruiting people for Azure Infrastructure Architect or Azure Security Architect. So the skill or the experience that they are asking for is knowledge or experience of Azure infrastructure architecture and network topology. They should know about agile methodology, then infrastructure provisioning, script using Terraform, Azure OL architecture framework, Azure Cloud Adoption Framework. Then they should be having hands-on experience in authoring technical documentation, Azure Cloud Design Patterns. So these are the skills or experiences they are expecting from the candidate. I'll be discussing a little bit about Cloud Adoption Framework in today's video, and I'll be sharing one script that will be helping you to get the report of which Azure VM was rebooted in last 24 hours. So this is very hot topic, I know, and in the field or in the day-to-day activity, you will be asked to perform this activity like from the management or from your manager or from your supervisor that can you get a report of the Azure VM which was rebooted in the last 24 hours. So I'll be sharing the script and you can find the script in the description, and this will be Azure PowerShell script. And one more very important question nowadays I have seen in the interview because I have been working with many cloud solution architects, and they are asking one questions that is very important, and that is have you done any root cause analysis of unexpected VM reboot? So this is very important questions nowadays people are asking in the interview. So let's start the today's video with Cloud Adoption Framework. What is Cloud Adoption Framework? This question can be asked in the interview. So Cloud Adoption Framework is nothing but the best practices, documentation, tools that will help to create and implement the business and technical strategy for cloud. What is your business objective? That you have to think. What is your business objective? Next is you need to prepare your organization for the cloud, which is your people, process, technology. If you have any skill or knowledge gap that you have to assess, then you have to prepare your workload to move to cloud. Once your organization is prepared for moving to cloud or cloud migration, then you have to migrate your existing application to cloud or build the modernized application in cloud. Finally, you have to implement the governance and resilience in the cloud. Next question is, what is cloud rationalization? So cloud rationalization is the process to evaluate the assets for migration or build each assets in the cloud for building modernized application. It's a process for evaluate the assets for migration or modernize the assets in the cloud, modernize the application for the assets in the cloud. So one more question can be asked is, what are the very important question, what are the 5 R's of rationalization? So rehost, refactor, re-architect, rebuild, replace. Rehost is nothing but lift and shift migration. Refactor is refactoring code. Re-architect is when, if you have seen that there are many cases that you will be having legacy application, old application, okay, which is not supported for the cloud. So for those application, we have to re-architect. Next is rebuild. Rebuild is remove your code and redesigning the application in the cloud. Removing your existing code and redesigning the application in the cloud, that is rebuild. Replace is the replacing the existing application with SaaS, software as a service. So this is how you have to answer the question. Now I have already told that I will be sharing the script for generating the report of VM which was rebooted in the last 1 day or 24 hours. So for that you can take a help of PowerShell script, Azure PowerShell script that I'll be sharing in the description section. And one more very important question that is can be asked in the interview and also for day-to-day activity in the for the Azure engineer, Azure support engineer, that is RCA of unexpected VM reboot, unexpected reboot of the VM, root cause analysis for unexpected reboot of VM, Azure VM. So for that I'll be creating one more video and I'll show you how to create the RCA. So that's all for this video. I hope you will like this video and this video is informative for your career and your job. Please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.